a glimpse of the past to understand the present and create a future. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
The family units in the West in the 20th century are called nuclear because they are small mother, father, and one or two children. Family units in Old Testament times were large and included every member of the family. The family was therefore a little kingdom that ruled by the father. And as a father, he is responsible for teaching his children the truth, setting boundaries, and bringing discipline so they can pursue God's plan for their lives. And also, in a family, therefore a woman or a mother. And the rule of the woman always appear to the subservient to men. And the work of a mother are reach the water, made cloths, made cloths, cook food, family, there also are children. Children were looked upon as great blessings to the family. The more children a person could have, a better it was. In Old Testament times, the wardrobe of a person living in the Bible times fairly basic. A loincloth, was worn beneath a tunic, and some form of footwear and coat were optional. The tunic was an essential garment. It was made from two pieces of material, seamed so that the seam came horizontally at waist level. The footwear wore often walked barefoot simple sandals. A sole was made from a piece of cowhide to match the shape of the foot. Hats most men seem to have worn a skull cap with a piece of material wore square of material folded to make a sun shield for the eyes and allowed to fall in folds over the neck and the shoulders to give full protections from the sun. Ornamentation in addition to clothes, there was heavy personal ornaments by makeup ornaments, hair treatment. Men's and women's costume in Old Testament times. Men's long garment, short sleeves, girdle, horse, breast guard, head skirt, cap, hat, scarf to go over the head, breeches, pants, stocking, sandals or shoes. Women, long lining undergarments, short undergarment, robe, girdle, collar, girdle. The man was made from a long piece of goat's hair, cloth about 5 or 6 feet wide. It was erected on a series of poles to provide a long awning, the two ends being pegged to the ground with 10 nails. Vertical hanging were made either from worn roof coverings or from other brightly colored material. The hanging provided a back and front for the stand and divisions between an area of black and two dividing hangings, therefore made an open porch where visitors could receive. Domestic acts of the hours of daylight and allowed for the extreme heat and midday in the summer. Breakfast was an informal meal taken sometime after getting up a cake of bread with something inside and put in a simple home. There was a common food pot placed on a rock and the family sat cross-legged. Such as olives, cheese, or dried fruit, while the men and older boys left for their works, eating as they want. Mother and girls did the domestic chores for the day, together with any boys too young to work and unable in early biblical years to go to school. Fetching water, the two jobs outside the house, collecting waters and going to the local market were done by the other older girls. Water was fetched from the local well or spring at the beginning or end of the baking bread was the basic food. Flour from the hand mill was mixed with water and dough was placed on flat stones that had been heated. Bread for most people food was simple. bread, olives, cheese, fruit, and vegetable formed the simple diet. Meat was only eaten in rare occasion. Evening meal following the midday rest. There were a number of important activities. The evening meal had to be prepared on the fire of the men when wife returned to work. This normally consisted of vegetable or a lentil stew. And this is the only thing we can share about the life in Old Testament in the Bible about family, their clothes, dwelling, their domestic activities, food and meals.